Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss some of the best tips for creating attractive thumbnails for your YouTube videos. A well-designed thumbnail can be a powerful tool in attracting viewers and boosting your video's engagement. 1. Be clear and visually appealing. Your thumbnail should be easy to read and immediately catch the eye. Choose a color scheme, background, and font that complements the content of your video and is consistent with your brand. 2. Keep it simple. Minimalist thumbnails tend to be more eye-catching than cluttered ones. Keep your thumbnail focused on the most important aspect of your video, such as the title or a central image. 3. Use high-quality images. Your thumbnail image should be clear, high resolution, and appropriately sized for YouTube. JPG, GIF, and N formats are usually recommended. 4. Incorporate vibrant colors. Colors can greatly enhance the visual appeal of your thumbnail. Use contrasting colors to make your video stand out and engage viewers. 5. Add an attracting title. Your thumbnail should include your video title, preferably in bold or italicized font. Using relevant keywords in your title can also help improve your video's searchability. 6. Utilize call to action text. You can also include a call to action text or a brief description to encourage viewers to click on your video. Make sure the text is easy to read and stands out against your background. 7. Optimize for smaller screens. Today's viewers use their smartphones and tablets to watch videos on YouTube. Ensure that your thumbnails are visible and easily readable on smaller devices. 8. Keep it consistent. If your videos have similar themes or styles, keep the design of your thumbnails consistent to maintain a cohesive brand identity. In conclusion, creating attractive thumbnails is essential for YouTube success. By following these tips, you'll be able to create visually appealing and engaging thumbnails that truly represent your video content. Good luck!